We are no strangers to Numanu in this household. We have tons of their like folding poppable stools, and this one right here is meant to be a camping chair. So we're going to open this up and check it out for the very first time. Love that it comes in this bag. That's definitely something Numanu does very well. The cases making it super simple for you to just grab and go. So it looks like just it opens up right here. So we're going to do that together, and of course there is a knot. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this opened. Ooh, so this is a four-legged chair, unlike their stools that I am used to. I like that it is nicely wrapped right here, makes it super compact. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Should be super simple to do. Let me see. Oh, okay, so just like a little extra clasp there for safety, and then I think this just goes like this. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Oh my goodness, this is padded. I don't think you can see that, but all of this right here, like I'm trying to see where's the best way. Like this, there's like this much thickness of padding right on here. So this is actually going to be super comfortable. What do we got here? So we've got like this little underneath here. You could obviously slip a few things under here if you needed to. You've got the little pocket here on the side. Let's go ahead, check this out. Wow, I've never sat on I've sat on some of these before, but I've never sat on one that's padded. Hello. This is so comfortable. Wow. I mean, again, I've sat on many of these before, but this is really great with that padding. Normally it's just that like really thin liner, but here it's like super comfy, really easy. Literally you saw me pull it out and you just like pop it together. This is fantastic. So easy to bring with you on the go. Great for camping, great for tailgating, festivals, all of the things. Numanu makes such fantastic seats.